Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a good lesson for you. So let's start. Today we are going to talk about intent to. Where I use intent to? Intent to is used when I just talk about my decisions. What I have made. It means I have thought something to do, I have decided to do something, then I use intent to. Let's have how to use it. So intent to use with a structure very simple. Firstly subject, then intend to. We always use first form here and then an object. So this is the structure we have to follow. Let's have an example. They intend to go there. It means they have decided to go there. That is why they are saying that they intend to go there. Maybe it's America or any other country. So that is why they intend to go there. Let's have one more example with a singular one. She intends to play guitar. Why I am putting here S with intents? Actually, we are just following the rule of simple present tenses here. That is why I am putting intents. For the single one, I will use third person singular. I will use intends to. She intends to play guitar. It means there are many instruments there she is going to play. But now she has decided that she is gonna play only guitar this time. Okay, so let's talk about the negative sentences here. How to prepare negative sentences. It means I have to tell that I have decided to not to do something, like subject, don't, doesn't, intend to, we first, and then object. It means I have decided to not to do something. We are following here simple present tense rule. That is why I am using don't and doesn't here. Like she doesn't intend to go outside. She had decided that she is not going outside. So that is why she doesn't intend to go outside. With they, I use don't. They don't intend to play game. Now let's talk about how to ask questions about the decision that what they have made to do. The same process I have to follow here. Simple present tenses. To ask questions, firstly first interrogative. When the questions start with kya, then I use helping verb first. Do, does, a subject here, intend to, we first, and then object. At the end we have a question mark here. Like, I want to know the decisions, their decision, someone's decision. Like, do you intend to go there? Have you really decided to go there? It means I'm talking about the decisions. I'm asking about the decision. With a singular one, third person singular, I will use does. Does she intend to play guitar? Is it clear? So in the same way, we can prepare three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and then interrogative sentences. Like, I intend to go there. I don't intend to go there. Do you intend to go there? So keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you very much.